Assalamu alaikum. In today's video we will conjugate the next form in أمثلة المضطردة. Our next form is called الفعل المضارع جهد مطلق. That is the negated past tense. Our example was لم ينصر. It means he did not help. And we will now conjugate it. لم ينصر, he did not help. لم ينصرا, two male persons did not help. لم ينصروا, three or more male persons did not help. لم تنصر, she did not help. لم تنصرا, two female persons did not help. لم ينصرن, three or more female persons did not help. لم تنصر, you male person did not help. لم تنصرا, you two male persons did not help. لم تنصروا, you three or more male persons did not help. لم تنصري, you female person did not help. لم تنصرا, you two female persons did not help. لم تنصرن, you three or more female persons did not help. لم أنصر, I did not help. لم ننصر, we did not help. That was the معلوم form, active voice, where the doer is noun. Now we come to the مجهول form, passive voice, where the doer is unknown. لم ينصر, he was not helped. لم ينصرا, two male persons were not helped. لم ينصروا, three or more male persons were not helped. لم تنصر, she was not helped. لم تنصرا, two female persons were not helped. لم ينصرن, three or more female persons were not helped. لم تنصر, you male persons were not helped. لم تنصرا, you two male persons were not helped. لم تنصروا, you three or more male persons were not helped. لم تنصري, you female persons were not helped. لم تنصرا, you two female persons were not helped. لم تنصرن, you three or more female persons were not helped. لم أنصر, I was not helped. لم ننصر, we were not helped. Since the conjugations are long, we only include two examples. لم يكتب, he did not write. لم يكتبا, two male persons did not write. لم يكتبوا, three or more male persons did not write. لم تكتب, she did not write. لم تكتبا, two female persons did not write. لم يكتبن, three or more female persons did not write. لم تكتب, you male person did not write. لم تكتبا, you two male persons did not write. لم تكتبوا, you three or more male persons did not write. لم تكتبي, you female person did not write. لم تكتبا, you two female persons did not write. لم تكتبن, you three or more female persons did not write. لم أكتب, I did not write. لم نكتب, we did not write. Now the passive form of this. لم يكتب, he was not written. لم يكتبا, two male persons were not written. لم يكتبوا, three or more male persons were not written. لم تكتب, she was not written. لم تكتبا, two female persons were not written. لم يكتبن, three or more female persons were not written. لم تكتب, you male person were not written. لم تكتبا, you two male persons were not written. لم تكتبوا, you three or more male persons were not written. لم تكتبي, you female person were not written. لم تكتبا, you two female persons were not written. لم تكتبن, you three or more female persons were not written. لم أكتب, I was not written. لم نكتب, we were not written. That was the conjugation of the negated past tense. Now we come to الفعل المضارع جهد مستغرق. Our example for that was لما ينصر. لما ينصر, he has not helped yet. لما ينصرا, two male persons have not helped yet. لما ينصروا, three or more male persons have not helped yet. لما تنصر, she was not helped yet. لما تنصرا, two female persons have not helped yet. لما ينصرن, three or more female persons have not helped yet. لما تنصر, you male person have not helped yet. لما تنصرا, you two male persons have not helped yet. لما تنصروا, you three or more male persons have not helped yet. لما تنصري, you female person have not helped yet. لما تنصرا, you two female persons have not helped yet. لما تنصرن, you three or more female persons have not helped yet. لما أنصر, I have not helped yet. لما ننصر, we have not helped yet. And now the passive form. لما ينصر, he has not been helped yet. لما ينصرا, two male persons have not been helped yet. لما ينصروا, three or more male persons have not been helped yet. لما تنصر, she has not been helped yet. لما تنصرا, two female persons have not been helped yet. لما ينصرن, three or more female persons have not been helped yet. لما تنصر, you male person have not been helped yet. لما تنصرا, you two male persons have not been helped yet. لما تنصروا, you three or more male persons have not been helped yet. لما تنصري, you female person have not been helped yet. لما تنصرا, you two female persons have not been helped yet. لما تنصرن, you three or more female persons have not been helped yet. لما أنصر, I have not been helped yet. لما ننصر, we have not been helped yet. لما يكتب, he has not written yet. لما يكتبا, two male persons have not written yet. لما يكتبوا, three or more male persons have not written yet. لما تكتب, she has not written yet. لما تكتبا, two female persons have not written yet. لما يكتبن, three or more female persons have not written yet. لما تكتب, you male person have not written yet. لما تكتبا, you two male persons have not written yet. لما تكتبوا, you three or more male persons have not written yet. لما تكتبي, you female person have not written yet. لما تكتبا, you two female persons have not written yet. لما تكتبن, you three or more female persons have not written yet. لما أكتب, I have not written yet. لما نكتب, we have not written yet. Now the passive form. لما يكتب, he has not been written yet. لما يكتبا. Two male persons have not been written yet. لما يكتبوا. Three or more male persons have not been written yet. لما تكتب. She has not been written yet. لما تكتبا. Two female persons have not been written yet. لما يكتبن. Three or more female persons have not been written yet. لما تكتب. You male person have not been written yet. لما تكتبا. You two male persons have not been written yet. لما تكتبوا. You three or more male persons have not been written yet. لما تكتبي. You female person have not been written yet. لما تكتبا. You two female persons have not been written yet. لما تكتبن. You three or more female persons have not been written yet. لما أكتب. I have not been written yet. لما نكتب. We have not been written yet. That was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, I would be very happy about a like, subscribing to my channel, comments and sharing on WhatsApp. I've created a PDF for you with 100 different examples. In this PDF, you will see exactly how to conjugate these words with the other words, along with their English meanings. If you want this PDF, you can comment directly under this video and I will get in touch with you. Until the next video, Assalamu alaikum.